back there. So, while I have this monitor right here, look, it's a Magic Clean Eraser. And it looks like this monitor has had something gross spilled on it. So this Magic Eraser was nice and white, and as you see, I've hardly done much to it in terms of rubbing this around. Might be a little bit still. But already, like up here, there is gross, some kind of, who knows, something splashed upon it, and especially on the back. But really, as you can, unlike the last time I tried to show how easy and wonderful it was to remove marker from, I think it was from a 1541, and it seemed to take forever. This is going much better. Much better. Now there's some stuff down in some of the grooves. That's always particularly challenging, especially when you're, I mean there's not a whole lot of water here, but there's some. But just like that, this gross, disgusting, awful looking monitor is pretty good. Once again, it wasn't that there was, oh, like, I don't know if you can see the side here, but there is sludge on here. Especially down there. There. I don't know, could be ketchup, could be Coke, could be, who knows. Could be 30 years old. But not much time, not much effort, and no cleansers, no anything. And this monitor is looking pretty snazzy. Now, unfortunately, it's still rolling. But, so be it. I will have to come up with some other option. So here's the Magic Eraser. It's pretty filthy, but the monitor is much cleaner than yesterday. And actually right now I would be, if someone came along and said, hey, I'm looking for a 1084S, except that this one is missing the little door, I would be pretty proud to say, oh yeah, I got one. And I suspect they would look at it and say, wow, it looks good. Now, not a few moments ago. Certainly much better than yesterday. Very nice. So I'll just, one last little dot of sludge, and there is a little bit, oh, that's not bad, in the vents, Oh, that's quite wonderful. It doesn't correct yellowing, but it sure does a great job on everything else. You know, scratches are still going to be there, but like just the dirt of time goes away. Now, what I really should do is, because as you can see, I think you can see, this is pretty filthy. And if it doesn't look filthy, it is. That's because there was lots of dirt on there. But that is pretty glorious now. Unfortunately, it's not really cutting it for what I had in mind. I wonder how much farther back I could go. I mean, I don't mind, the positioning is not bad. I would like it if I could just get it, like literally right in the corner. Mind you, I suppose I could adjust the camera a little bit. But still, the rolling. Well, I guess that's why they call it the blues. Well, I have the magic eraser here. I'll just give this dirty disk drive a little stroking. And this one is badly yellowed. It's a sort of a mixture of various things, but at least it takes the slime off. It does. I think what's on the side of this is some, I think tape residue, which is always challenging no matter what you try. But, or maybe it could be I think this one might have come from a school, so it could have some kind of former markings. Oh well. I'm just wondering how much more I could lean down here without losing my head. It's funny, this U thing. Oh, that's better. Okay, that looks better. But still, we have work to do on this. I have, down under the table here, quite a large monitor. It is not made by Commodore, it is made by Sony, but it might be the answer. Might be. It's heavy. Oh well, enough for now. Rome was not built in a day. It was not. Now, this monitor actually was sitting just over from here, so you might have seen it. But I have screws from the 4040s up there, and now I'm a little worried that I will do something foolish when I try and put it back. Alright, more pondering, more thinking. It's funny, this says it's, I don't know if you can see, it says it's Twilight Zone. I just don't remember it as that. But, you know, I don't know. But as that is coming to an end, I will bid you farewell for now as we continue to work to get a monitor in a better position here that doesn't look so ugly. Bye for now.